In this video, we summarize the heap programming 2 unit. In this section, we covered several topics related to heap programming. Firstly, we discussed the function type qualifiers and the template feature in heap, and we learned how to use them in a heap program. Secondly, we explored the implementation of struct in heap with a practical example. Thirdly, we learned how heap streams work and how they can improve the performance of GPU. We also covered two essential types of memory allocation in heap, namely pinned memory and unified memory. We demonstrated how to use pinned and unified memory in a vector addition example. Finally, we covered different heap events functions and learned how to use them to monitor the execution of commands in heap. In our upcoming video, we will discuss the architecture of AMD GPUs and explore the intricacies of assembly programming. Our focus will be on understanding how instructions are executed and the various levels of the memory hierarchy that are utilized by the GPU. This knowledge will be crucial for anyone looking to develop high-performance applications for AMD GPUs using heap. The assignment for Unit 4 is to calculate pi using the Monte Carlo method but using struct and template in heap as the implementation method. The audience need to calculate the elapsed time on GPU using the heap events.